Hi everyone! Today we're going to be talking about a special type of fluid called a non-Newtonian fluid. They're special because they act both as a solid and a liquid. An example of a non-Newtonian fluid is quicksand. So quicksand appears to be a solid, but if you're stuck in it, it's going to feel more like a liquid as you're trying to get out of it. And that's because whenever you apply more pressure to it, it's going to change the viscosity or the thickness of it. And that's why it's very hard to get out of. So today we're going to be making our own non-Newtonian fluid called oobleck. And oobleck is made up of just cornstarch and water. So to make the oobleck, we're going to take approximately 3 parts cornstarch to 1 part of water. So here in a bowl, I have about a cup of cornstarch, and I'm going to add to it slowly 1/3 of a cup of water. So I'm going to add the water, and I'm going to stir it as I go. And then if I need more water, I'll just add it gradually. And then if you want, you can just mix it with your hands because that's more fun. It's a little bit messy, so make sure you have a clean or a good working area. So I do have some oobleck in here. So I can pick some up, and as I squeeze it in my hand, it's gonna feel like a solid. Then right as I let go, it's gonna be liquid again. So if you wanted to make your oobleck a color, you can just simply add a few drops of food coloring to the water and then mix that in. So here's the oobleck. If I move the bowl around, it kind of acts more like a liquid. Then I can touch it, it's gonna feel a little bit more like a solid. So whenever I pick it up, I can squeeze it and add pressure, so there it looks like a solid. In my hand it feels like a solid, but then as I let go, it goes to liquid. So it all depends on the amount of pressure I'm applying to it. And there you go. Have fun with your oobleck.